this is a lot of beef right here. For today's challenge, we have here 10 quarter pounders, and we're gonna be seeing how fast we can take down 10 quarter pounders with cheese. And so this was a pretty random backstory of how I came across this video idea. I saw a video from Matt Stoney. You guys know who Matt Stoney is. Came across an old video. He took down 10 quarter pounders, and I just thought quarter pounder. Because we've done 10 Big Macs already. You guys already saw that. We've done 10 cheeseburgers, but spoiler alert, we're actually gonna have to revisit the 10 Big Mac challenge. So why not do 10 quarter pounders? You guys already know what it is. This is one of McDonald's most popular burger on their menu, so why not do it? But if you guys know me, I don't make these challenges that simple. You guys already know I had to twist this up a bit and throw in a Diet Coke. Make sure you guys go down below and smash that like button. You guys already know what it is. Comment down below cheeseburger, so I know you guys are tuned in and are eating cheeseburgers while I'm eating cheeseburgers and stuff. I just want to know. Spam the comments. But yeah, by the way, if you guys don't know what a quarter pounder looks like, it basically looks like this. The burger's a lot thicker than the original cheeseburger. Yeah, that's a quarter pounder. As you guys can tell, I set it up differently. I wanted to make sure it was actually a way to work through this fast and stuff. We have our 2-liter Diet Coke right here, warm water right here, and it's time to see how fast we can take down 10 quarter pounders. Let's go. Challenge start. 3, 2, 1, go. We still have one last thing. Alright, 2-liter Diet Coke. Horrible time for the quarter pounders, but let's keep going.
One eternity later.
And we are good. Honestly don't know what just happened. I thought I had charged my camera, fully charged my camera, but I guess I didn't. Camera stopped midway through me chugging this Diet Coke. That right there is the worst possible thing that could ever happen when you're filming a YouTube video or something. Ugh. Oh my god. I'm honestly so bummed and stuff. But aside from that, we took down the quarter pounders. Diet Coke was just like a bonus round that I was just trying to add to the challenge and stuff to twist it up a bit. That wasn't like the best time or anything like that. Shout out Stoney, you literally did it like in 5 minutes or whatever. That was crazy. But if you guys still enjoyed the video, make sure you guys go down below and smash that like button and comment down below cheeseburger, because we ate quarter pounders with cheese and stuff. I'm bummed I couldn't get this down, this Diet Coke. This is supposed to be like the ItsTkenny twist. If you are not already subscribed, make sure you guys are subscribed and turn on those post notification bells so you guys never miss a video. Share with your friends, go watch the videos, all the videos and stuff. That is gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed, also share, subscribe. If you're new, stay lit, and as always, see you guys on the next one. We are out.